Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we're gonna make
Homemade
pizza.
Yes, today we're gonna make homemade pizza for you guys. So please watch all this video to see how we make homemade pizza. Like, share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you're already subscribed to our video. And share with your friends. So if you want to see how we make this homemade pizza, please stay tuned. So now we're gonna add the sugar to the lukewarm water. Okay, and then you're gonna give it a good mix to dissolve the sugar. Come on now. So you're gonna mix that, and now we're gonna mix it good so the sugar dissolves. Alright? And this is the dry yeast. If you have instant yeast, you don't have to do all of this, but this is active dry yeast.
Keep doing it?
Yeah. We're gonna add two teaspoons of yeast. No stir. You're gonna add 2 of it. More, yeah? Come, add this one. Add the other teaspoon. You're not supposed to stir it. It's supposed to be a foam on top when you're done. So you're gonna leave it like that to activate. You're gonna set it aside to activate. Alright? So you're gonna look at it, and then you're gonna see it start to form. That's when you know it's activated. Alright? Alright. Smell what it smells like. Now that the yeast is activated, see the foam on top? Very nice. Very foamy, very perfect. So now we're gonna add our flour to the bowl. Come on, add the flour. Put the flour, pour the flour into the bowl. You're gonna pour the flour into the bowl. And then you're gonna add a teaspoon of salt to give it flavor. Okay, put this in there. And now we're gonna add the olive oil, which is 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay. So we're gonna add this to the bowl. Alright. Yeah. Now we're gonna add the yeast to the bowl. I'm gonna start over here. Come over here. A nice mix. Okay. Give that a nice mix. Then we're gonna use I'm gonna use my hand after you give it a nice mix, alright? I think it wants some more water. It's a little bit dry. It's not water, yeast mix. Okay. Let me feel it. You have to make sure everything is combined, all the flour.
Okay, let me keep doing it.
Alright. I'm gonna add some little bit more yeast to it until everything is combined. I'll get the perfect dough. I will make the perfect dough. Okay. I'm gonna use my hand now.
I want to use my hand.
You wanna use your hand?
Yeah.
You're gonna make it into a dough, alright? Alright. You have to keep it up here. Alright, so you have to knead. Combine everything together, alright? So now we're gonna get some cling wrap, and we're gonna cover this, and you can do this overnight to get a better result, but we're gonna leave this for half an hour to let it rise and come back. Exactly an hour to rise, And as you can see,
it's so hot.
as you can see, the dough has risen. The dough has risen. Look perfectly good to me. See that? We're giving it a test and it look perfectly good. Now we're gonna sprinkle some flour on top just to take it out the bowl because it's kind of sticky. As you can see, it's very sticky.
Now Mommy's gonna mix the flour with the dough.
Now we take that out.
And Mommy's gonna mix the flour with the dough.
See? It's perfectly done. And that's how you make a pizza dough. Alright? To make a pizza dough, it depends on the temperature of the water.
Yep.
How long you make the dough rise. Now see? See? This is a perfectly made pizza dough. Alright, so now we're gonna make the sauce. Now we're gonna make the sauce for our pizza. So now we're gonna make our paste, our sauce. We're gonna make our sauce. Even though Nicki Minaj, and we're gonna use this Hunt brand. You can use any. Yeah, you're gonna add it. You can use any brand you want, or you can make your homemade tomato paste. And you're gonna just put it in the bowl like this, man. But you're gonna take your time. Just see? Just wait, just wait. Alright, so we're just gonna take out everything out the bowl, out the can. Everything. I'll put sugar in my spaghetti sauce. But today we're gonna put some in our pizza sauce. Even though Nicki Minaj says she don't put sugar in our spaghetti sauce. We're not making spaghetti, we're making pizza. No, we're gonna put sugar in the just a little bit. Just a little bit to make it nice. Yeah, just a little bit. Oh, let's put more, put more. Don't be afraid now. I think we need some more sugar than that, Moya. You're saving back some to eat, so I know that. I'm gonna let you have some. Here you go. Okay, so we put enough sugar. Now we're gonna put some garlic. We're gonna add some garlic into this thing. We're gonna add some garlic. Gonna add some garlic. I'm gonna add about, let me use a different spoon. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic. So we're done with that, and we're gonna give it a good mix. We're gonna give it a good, nice mix. Awesome mix. I give it a taste, because what the sense if you don't taste it? That's good. I'm gonna put a little bit of some garlic salt into it to give it a more kick. That tastes good. You're living your best life over there with that sugar. Put the sugar over there. Okay, I think this is good now. I think this sauce is good. I think this is very good. You wanna taste it and tell me? You wanna give me a taste? Tastes good? Or you just don't like tomato? I like it. But when you go on the pizza, you're not gonna taste it like this. But it tastes alright too. It's very good. Okay, so now guys, you're gonna do like this. Give it a nice punch, and then you're gonna face up your hand, something like this. I don't know if it's telling us, but you're gonna stretch it out. Give it a ratatouille style. Alright, so we're giving it up because that ant thing is not working for us, so we I'm just gonna pat it around and give it a nice shape. Yeah, give it a nice shape. Because that ant is not for us.
No.
Not for us. We try our best, but that is not for us. So we're gonna stretch it out. Not too much, Maya. You just do like this, so you don't tear the dough. Alright? Stretching it out and making that we get a good, nice crust. We don't want any thin crust pizza. We want a nice big crust pizza. Alright, so we're doing that. And then we're gonna transfer it to our tray. So this is it on the tray, and now we're gonna add our sauce. It's already preheated, 350 degrees, and this is gonna stay for around 30 minutes to 15 to 30 minutes. So now we're gonna put this in the oven. This is our homemade pizza. This is our homemade cheese pizza. Now we're gonna give it a cut.
Yes.
And we don't have a rolling pin, so we're using what we have, which is right. Use what we have, improvise. Okay.
One side for me, one side for you. Wait, cause you have a wallet. Does he?
Oh my God.
Mom, cause you make our oven so hot. It doesn't make it.
Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Look at. No man, look on the pizza. Look, oh, the pizza come out good. No sir.
Let me taste the pizza.
Jesus, no sir.
Let me. Where is the pizza?
Tell them what the pizza tastes. Tell them if I did a good job. You like it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna have mine. No man, we did a really good job on the pizza. No joke about it. Look, hear the crunch. Hear that. My God.
Satisfying.
So satisfying, right?
Yeah.
Well, the soda.
Yeah. This is mine.
We're gonna go cheers. We'll do cheers. Cheers to the one that we love. You keep a pizza.
Thank you, Mommy. Oh, yeah, pizza.
So good, huh?
Yeah, cheese pizzas. Cheese pizzas, Mommy. Cheese pizzas.
Yeah.
Come on, cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
A pizza's too big because I have it. Yeah.
This one is good.
Yeah. Make the crust.
Oh, we had very nice crust.
Yeah, I have nice.
Here's to the one that we got. Okay, so we're going to get your pizza now. Your tiny pizza, that one? We're going to test it now. This pizza number 2, and we're going to try it out. Oh, this looks so good too. My pizza looks so good. This one with the beef sachets and the bacon and the cheese. All right. Oh my goodness, this looks so good.
Let's just eat a pizza already. How about eat pizza already, Mommy? Come on, eat it and test it out.
Oh my God, just Maya said, just eat the pizza already, Mommy. Eat it and test it out. I'm talking too much, right? Look at that crust. Look at this one. Oh my God. Oh my. It's so good. But it's hot.
What?
It's hot. Wow. It's amazing.
I'm gonna do my soda. This is my soda.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot.
So, I'm hot.
I'm hot there in the phone.
So we're gonna say bye guys. Thanks for watching, sharing. Like, leave a comment down below. Please leave a comment down below.
Share and pick a pot more.
Yeah, please share and
Pick a pot more.
please share. Alright, so we're gonna tell you to like, share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you aren't.
Wait.
And subscribe if you aren't already. Subscribe to our video.
I'm subscribed.
This is a closer look at number 2 pizza.
Yep, I have the pizza.
And this is number 1 pizza. Oh my god. Alright, so there you go guys. That's it. Bye guys.
Bye.